Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game not launching, not loading, lagging, crashing, low FPS, black screen issue on Xbox. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller. After that, select quit option. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed on or not. If not, next method is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings, choose device and connections, and Blu-ray, select persistent storage, and finally select clear persistent storage. After this, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, then select settings, then choose network settings, then test network connection, wait for some time to complete, and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next solution is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. After this, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to check for Sonic Racing CrossWorlds update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often release patches to deal with several kinds of bugs. So if there is any update, you need to update the game. And after that, check if you can play it without any further problem. If not, next method is to clear cache of the game. For that, first press Xbox guide, now click on My Games and Apps, then tap on See All option. Here search for Sonic Racing CrossWorlds, then press menu, then select Manage Game and Add-ons, then tap on Save Data, then click on Reserved Space, and finally tap on Clear Reserved Space. After that, check if the issue is resolved. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. First, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account, then click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select Remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to check for Xbox updates. Make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open Settings on your Xbox, then choose System and then select Updates. Here check if any update is available and click on it to begin the updating process. After that, check if you can play the game. If not, next is to check storage space. For that, first press Xbox button, then go to Profile and System, then click on Settings, then click on System, then click on Storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or game to create space, and after that try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. If not, next is to reinstall Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game. For that, first press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps and select See All option. Here select Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game, press menu button, select uninstall. After the game is removed, open the game's official website and then download the game, and after that try to play it and see if it helps. If not, last and final solution is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will resolve it from their end. So these are few suggested solutions to fix the game you are coming across while playing Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game on Xbox. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.